Good morning, students. Today we will start next topic 456 of chapter 2, Constitutional Design of class 9 Civics. Contents are: first one, why do we need a constitution? Second, making of the Indian constitution. Third, the path to constitution. Topic 4, why do we need a constitution? The constitution of a country is a set of written rules that are accepted by all the people living together in a country. Constitution is the supreme law that determines the relationship among people living in a territory called citizens, and also the relationship between the people and government. A constitution does many things, such as: first, it generates a degree of trust and coordination that is necessary for different kind of people to live together. Second is, it specifies how the government will be constituted, who will have power to take which decisions. Third is, it lays down limits on the powers of the government and tells us what the rights of the citizens are. Fourth, it expresses the aspiration of the people about creating a good society. Topic 6, the path to constitution. Despite all these difficulties, there are one big advantage for the makers of the Indian constitution. Unlike South Africa, they did not have to create a consensus about what a democratic India should look like. There were sharp differences of opinion within the freedom struggle about the path India should take after differences exist even today. As far back as in 1928, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders drafted a constitution for India. In 1931, the resolution at the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress dwelt on how independent India's constitution should look like. Both these documents were committed to the inclusion of universal adult franchises, the right to freedom and equality, and to protecting the rights of minorities in the Constitution of Independent India. Thus, some basic values were accepted by all leaders much before the Constituent Assembly met to deliberate on the Constitution. The Indian Constitution adopted many institutional details and procedures from colonial laws like the Government of India Act 1935. Many of our leaders were inspired by the ideals of French Revolution, the practice of parliamentary democracy in Britain, and the Bill of Rights in the US. The socialist revolution in Russia and inspired many Indians to think of shaping a system based on social and economic equality. All these factors contributed to the making of our constitution. Thank you.